Hello, welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and today's video is all about this little phone from TTFone. It's directed at people with visual impairments, so the keys are bigger and there's different options as well. So let's get into it, let's get it opened up and hopefully we can see what's going on inside. Oh, don't need my knife for that. Let me open that. Oh, there we go. Alright, so your TTFone has arrived, it says on the front there. That's nice. Look at that. Okay, so it comes with an SD card. It comes with a SIM card. It was a brilliant idea, so we don't have anything else to worry about. There's the charger. Oh, it's a travel charger. Okay, so that's cool. It's nice and neat. Got the box here. What's this? What is this? Oh, it's a charger. This is the charger where you plonk the phone onto so it charges in this base, which is a really nice idea. I like that. What else is that stuff? Recycle this box. The dolphins will love it. Yes, they will. Excellent. So the only thing... where is that bit of plastic gone? One tiny little bit of plastic, which says it's recyclable, I think, because it's got the recycle circle on it. Excellent. Everything's recyclable. Very good, very good, very good. Let's just move that out of the way, move that out of the way. Don't need to see that, do we? Okay, so let's get into the box itself. Whoa, it's neat. It's nice and small, actually. USB-C charger, brilliant, like we want to see. And there's the battery. We're going to have to put a battery in a phone for a while. So it's a flip phone. It's light, plastic. There's a little display on the front there by the looks of it, and the camera on the back. Wow, that is pretty cool. And yes, definitely large buttons. Let's take that off. Oh yeah. Yeah, they are large buttons. They're not raised. I think that might have been a better idea, but you know, you can feel them definitely, and they're definitely large. Okay, so let's just... Let's close that. Let's get the battery out. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Get it out of the way. What's it back? So, do we just pull it down? Crack it open. There we go. Like that. Oh, we need to put the SIM card in, don't we? I'm just going to take my glasses off so I can see. We do need the knife now. There we go. Alright, so what size SIM card do we need? We need... It takes an SD card as well. SD card goes in there, a SIM card goes in there. So let's take out... Should we just read the instructions? Okay, so here's the small one, is it? So we pop out the small bit. And go around as it go. So you've got the sliced end that way. So put it straight in there. Do we? Go on, you can go. There we go. That's actually quite easy. And then that in like that. And we can put the lid on. Very easy process. I do like that. But it's supposed to be easy, isn't it? Let's be honest. Let's get all that out of the way, get all the rubbish out of the way. And now, let's plug this in. Let's see. Have we got any power? Straight away. Nope. I don't think there's any battery yet. Oh, there we go, we're on. Excellent, we've got power. That's awesome. Oh wow. So it's not a touch screen. We've got about 75% battery, and oh, it vibrates when you press a button. Okay, let's go back. So the down button there is alarm. So press OK. All right, we've got press OK to get into the options, all the different settings. Nice. Oh, you got memory buttons. Hold down the key, memory buttons, yeah?
1, 2,
Ah,
3,
it tells you what button you're pressing.
0.
Oh, I like it. Great. Okay, yeah, brilliant so far. I'd really like this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my SIM card in it and see what it's like for actually calling somebody. See you in a sec. Okay, let's test the phone. I'll get my phone, and it's got a number on here, so I can give it a call. So. Okay, so it's got lights up on the front, vibrates good, and it's pretty loud. Yes, it's got everything on the screen, so you can see everything. It's even got a picture on there if you want to. So it's just like the smartphones, but it's all on the buttons instead. So we can hang up. And so we've got things on the front there. So if you send a message, we'll get something on the front. For instance, so that should get something on the. There we go. I like it. It's good. Lights up on the front, so we can see whether there's a message, and it stays flashing. So even if you don't see it straight away, you can see it later on. Open it up. You got a new message. Read. Yep, that worked. So if you put it on charge, on there. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, very good. Very impressed with that. Just slots on nicely, and you take it off. Easy. It's light, so it does move a little bit. So it is a one-handed job. You can do it easy. I like it. Very good. Easy to charge, easy to use. Exactly what it's needed. So that's it. That's the TTFone. It is it's a TT760, and it's a thumbs up from me. Okay, so I've been Lee's Tech Room. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later. Bye.